Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Again, trading with the FlowPro bot. Today we're going to get straight into it. We're going to toggle both longs and shorts on. And you may notice some arrows on the chart, and those are from the pulse indicator. This is our new indicator that's going to be released. And it's also based on order flow. It's going to be released to all of our current subscribers quite soon. I can't really give you a date because my schedule is quite busy at the moment. Apologies for that, but it's going to be released soon, and hopefully you guys can get access to that as soon as possible. So yeah, we're just going to use that as confluence. As you can see, it has arrows pointing in the bullish and bearish directions, and we have colored candles which are signifying a lot of bullish activity. So we've got the support and resistance indicator on as well, just to see where we can kind of see reactions in the price, and if we can see, price zones being used as support or resistance. And of course that's a free indicator. You can get that on our website. But yeah, this is order flow, again using the FlowPro bot. We'll see how we can combine the pulse indicator with the FlowPro bot. I know you guys are used to seeing the FlowPro bot, but the pulse indicator will be released soon, and that's another tool you guys can use and hopefully benefit from in your trading. But yeah, right now there's not a huge amount of buys for me. Market's been just ranging. By the way, I am trading NQ. I didn't mention that, but we are trading futures, so this is the futures version of the bot. So we'll see what happens right now. In the past minute or two, we've been kind of going downward. We're at a support level. We'll see if there's any reaction here, but that's why I have both directions on, because in futures I never know when to go long or short. I'm just going to trade in both directions, see how it goes for me. But yeah, hopefully a few wins, that would be fantastic. As always, aiming for a nice win rate. But here we go, we get a signal, we get a pulse signal and a FlowPro bot signal on the same bar. So this is quite good. This is telling you that there's a lot of buying pressure from the FlowPro bot and a lot of buying from the pulse indicator, also telling us that this is a bullish signal, bullish bar, delta's going up. So in my opinion, strong signal. There's confluence, and it's not like the bot and the pulse indicator have the same calculation methods. They actually have different calculation methods. So these are two different techniques, analysis techniques, telling us that this is going to go up here. And I mean, we're already going into the green, so that's a positive thing to see. But yeah, we will be doing a video on the pulse indicator and completely explaining what it does, how it works, how to use its settings, how to configure it, and everything to do with that indicator. We will make a video on that, so I won't talk about it too much here, but it's nice to see that we got a pulse signal and a FlowPro signal on the same bar. And again, look at this, guys, another pulse signal. So
order cancelled.
Beautiful, a lot of volume pumped in. We won that trade. Great start. So as you can see, that pulse signal was great. Both of them very, very good signals.
Order placed.
Here we go, we get another trade. So this time a FlowPro bot signal. The pulse signal wasn't there, but as you can see, that pulse signal, the most recent one, would have been a good entry. But we're just moving up really, really well now. This is looking very bullish. The volume's picking up.
Order cancelled.
And we win this trade too. So quite volatile at the moment. We'll keep it on both. We'll see how it goes. We're coming up to a resistance zone. We're not quite at it just yet, but break
Order
these
placed.
previous highs, that would be fantastic. So we get filled again into another buy position. So we just won two buys, we just won two longs quite quickly. We're up to 500 PNL, but we do get filled into yet another trade, so that's very nice to see. And of course you can add alerts to both the FlowPro bot and the pulse indicator. So for the signals, you will be getting alerts and sound notifications to know when there is a buy signal or a sell signal. But this is looking very, very good. Quite surprised these are such clean trades. It's not even dipping into the red zone for us. Kind of just moving up very smoothly, and that's what I like to see on low time frames. But like I said, we're trading NQ. We are actually in the New York session, but quite a while after the open. I don't like trading the actual open. Too volatile, too unpredictable for me, but maybe you guys like it. I don't. So I like to trade, if I trade futures, it's gonna be, perhaps an hour or two into the session, or even later, just when it kind of calms down and the signals are more accurate, in my opinion, for the FlowPro bot, that is. But yeah, the pulse indicator I haven't back tested all that much. There's a lot of configuration in it, but a lot of the signals are very good. As you can tell already, we've got some great pulse signals in this session, but yeah, there's a lot of ways you can configure that indicator, and a lot of different signals that you can use. So it's going to be a lot of back testing to back test on all assets, you know, in the crypto market, forex market, and other kind of futures as well. So, but right now, as you can see, this is actually starting to curve down, and so is the delta, and I don't like seeing that. But that was nice. So this is a nice green bar on a red delta. Negative delta on it with a green bar. It's usually a good sign of absorption, and that was a good turnaround. So this is looking bullish still, and now we're moving up to our TP, so that's great. We'll see if we can hit it here. It was looking not optimal for a bit, but now it's looking like it's recovered nicely. A lot of buying is still going on.
Order cancelled.
And we hit our take profit. Beautiful trade up to $745 US P&L. So now we are approaching this resistance level marked in red. And yeah, we'll keep it on both. You know, usually I like to turn longs off at levels like this because there's often a reaction. And there can be buying pressure, a lot of buying pressure at the top of a range. And sometimes it will go into your profit, but it won't exactly hit your take profit. It'll actually, you know, reverse because of, you know, pullbacks are so common at these levels, the swing lows, swing highs. See, like you can see the price actually reacting to this resistance level now, and it's going down. So yeah, if we get filled long at the very top there, we probably would lose that trade. But as you can see, we didn't get filled. So that's good to see that we didn't get filled at the top of that range. That means the bot detected, it didn't detect enough buying pressure there. And it didn't actually detect selling pressure either because we're not in a short position. So price is pulling back now, but it did not feel as short or long. So we'll just see how this goes. As you can see, the delta is actually still increasing. And we do get another pulse signal. So another buy signal from the pulse indicator, but not from the FlowPro bot. So we'll see if that was correct. As you can see, price is actually going up now, and it seems like we are going to break this zone. Okay, we're moving up. So there was a reaction from that resistance level. We pulled back a little bit, not much. Delta is still positive, uptrending, and price is now going up. We got a pulse signal, a buy signal. So if we can break this level, perhaps this price is going higher. And look at this, a lot of buying coming in now.
Order placed.
Okay, we get filled. There we go. TP is just at the next resistance level. That's good because if there's a reaction there, we exit our position. Delta is really picking up. This is looking great. Very, very good signals from the FlowPro bot and from Pulse. I'm deactivating the bot here, guys. It's going to be my last trade because this is a good run of trades. I don't want to ruin it. Hopefully you can win this one and call it a day. But yeah, this is a risky trade. We're at a resistance point and we went long. So this is one of the things I've been talking about. These are risky trades, guys. If you're overbought and you're going long, it's quite risky. Price is bound to pull back at those levels, especially resistance levels. This is so ill-advised, but I am just trusting the bot on this one. And because it's so bullish and the delta is quite strong, you know, this could actually continue going up here. So let's see if it's right. Right now, it's not looking too good. There's a little bit of a reaction, but we're not out of it just yet. So I'd like to see a nice recovery here to break that level and go higher. So if we do break that level, we should see a lot of buying volume pumping in the market. And actually there is a little bit here. A little bit of volatility by the looks of things. Delta is still super strong. So actually I do think we win this trade because the delta is a good predictor of what's going to happen. There's not much weak delta there. It's still uptrending, and the size of the delta is relatively small. The size of the negative delta, that is. But the positive delta is looking great. It's much more stronger. That means the market buyers are way more aggressive than the market sellers at this point in time. And guys, if you're not using CVD, you should be. It's a very, very strong tool in order flow.
Order cancelled.
But there we go, a lot of volume pumping in. We got another pulse signal there too, and we do hit our take profit. Beautiful, beautiful trade, and we're going to win all of those trades. That's 5 wins, guys. $1,200 US in profit. Absolutely fantastic session. This is how we combined a few of our indicators. We got pulse, we got support and resistance, and the FlowPro bot. We combined those tools to analyze the market, and as you can see, very good trades because of that. And all the pulse signals were actually quite good. So again, guys, if you want access to pulse, there's going to be released soon. Please visit the link in the description. You get access to pulse, our FlowPro bot, and all of our free indicators, order flow tools that are very, very important for your analysis in trading. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.